Anne-Marie.
Is he?
Don't know.
Hello, so today I'm going to be making soaps using clove, and the ingredients I will be using are, that's a kit I bought ages ago, it was only about £5 from, I think it was Sainsbury's, I can't remember now, and which included that as a mould, which I still use, although it's a bit messy now, so. And also what you need is some white soap base. I get this from G. Baldwin's. Also some clove buds, which just from supermarket, so cloves. And I've got clove bud essential oil. And this isn't 100% necessary, but we use alcohol. This is rubbing alcohol, which I decanted into a spray bottle. So to stop air bubbles forming, you use alcohol just to spray and get rid of any bubbles, but that's just a, you know, aesthetic thing, so it makes it probably look a bit more professional, but it's not 100% necessary. Not 100% necessary to use this. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. My name's Anne-Marie Pearman. Measure your soap out first. I've got some white soap here which I've measured out. That's 100, well it's actually technically 103 grams, but I'm meant to have 100 grams of white soap. And you put it into a heat safe container and melt it in the microwave. I'll do it for 30 because that's what I'd recommend with my particular microwave. So this is after a minute. I'm just going to give it a quick stir to just make sure there's no lump. You see, there is still a lump there, so I'm going to do it for another 30 seconds. Use 30 drops of clove bud. I think really you should use a wooden implement, but I don't have one to hand. So. And then you put one layer of the white soap into the lace pattern mould. So let's show that's what I'm doing. To be floral buds, but I'm using clove buds. So the remaining soap mixture. It says stir gently to avoid adding too many air bubbles. It says you can, oops, with rubbing alcohol to pop any bubbles, so I'll just do that now. So you can see that's, I don't know if you can tell, but that's popped some of the air bubbles. And then after they've been incorporated, pour into the lace mould. Alcohol onto the first layer to disperse the bubbles again, and then you pour the rest of the soap in. So this is going to overflow maybe, because I did 3 grams more than the 100 grams, but I think some of that 3 grams has stuck to the bottom, to the bowl, so that's fine. You have to let the soap sit for at least 3 hours before removing the soap from the mould, so I'll come back to that in 3 hours time and see how it's done. Oh, so I'm going to show you the reveal after I've made it. Now, it's a bit crooked because it's a bit of an old thing that I've had. Oops, dropping everything here. Old thing that I've had for a while. I'm not too worried about it though. But it smells really nice. Well, it smells nice if you like the smell of clove, because it does really smell of clove. So that's the front of it. And the back, there's the cloves. So the front has got, I don't think how well it's picking it up on this camera, but it's got a bit of a lace design on the front. Although that's, again, that's just an aesthetic thing. You could just use any old mould that will do the job. And that's the back where all the clove buds are. So maybe use it as a bit of an exfoliant, maybe. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm Anne-Marie Pearman. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.